Welcome back to Teshkid FX for another price prediction update, and in this video I'll be giving you a price prediction update on Quant, whose current price stands at the $110.0 mark, and here on TradingView the market is down by 0.36%. and in this video I want to give you the key scenarios that I expect to play out, basing my analysis on the Elliot structures, the Fibonacci's, the key areas of support and resistances, and also draw out any key chart patterns that you have information on this chart. And I'll kickstart the video by giving a brief of what has been happening on this chart. Quant from the all-time high has been seeing no prices in this massive ABC corrective movement, which has now taken us back to around the $40.2 mark. And after seeing that massive ABC corrective movement, we had been seeing a bit of a recovery to the upper side in a movement that has been obeying the Elliott wave structures. And if I jump to the forward chart so that we can see the Elliott wave structures here on the quantum chart, you can see after making our low down there, we saw a very nice bounce to the upper side, having that as the first wave to the upper side, then a wave 2, a wave 3, a wave 4, and then a wave 5. And having seen the formation of a wave 5, we completed a higher Elliott wave count 1 over here. And after seeing the formation of a higher Elliott wave count 1, whatever we expect next is the formation of a higher Elliott wave count 2. And for those that might have seen my previous videos, this is not the way I had my Elliott wave structure. And initially here on the chart I had this as the first wave to the upper side, then a wave 2, then a wave 3, then I expected the formation of a wave 4, and then continue pushing higher in the formation of a wave 5, so that we can name that as a higher Elliott wave count 1. But that Elliott wave structure to the upper side got invalidated the moment our wave 4 over here retraced into the high of the first wave. And having done so, I had to remove this Elliott wave structure from my charts and view this movement to the upper side as something else. And the only way to view it is as having this Elliott wave count that I have right now. And after seeing the formation of a higher Elliott wave count 1, whatever we expect next is the formation of a higher Elliott wave count 2. And using the Fibonacci's, we can sketch out a minimum target area to the lower side in the formation of a wave 2, connecting the Fibonacci's from the low of that first wave to the high of the first wave. And the minimum retracement area in the formation of a wave 2 is the fib level 0.5 and the fib level 0.618, and I can mark that target area here on the charts like that. And that target area lies between the $135.8 mark and the $113.4 mark. You can see that we have come down into this target area, we have retraced into that target area, and at some point we managed to break out of the target area to the lower side. And that means there's still a possibility that we might be able to retrace back to around the fib level 0.78 fib level, and that will still be a valid wave 2. But there are high chances that the low for that second wave might be in, because we have come down into that target area in the formation of a higher Elliott wave count 2, and there is a possibility that very soon Quant to give us that reversal to the upper side. And in case that happens, my first target area will be back at around the $149 mark, with the $147 mark, where we'll be facing a key area of resistance. And once we manage to break above that key area of resistance, there is a possibility of us seeing a retest of the key area of resistance before we continue pushing higher in the formation of that higher Elliott wave count 2, which is an impulsive wave. And I would also expect to see fractal waves in formation within that third wave to the upper side. Also jumping to the forward chart for further analysis, here on the forward chart you can see in the formation of this higher Elliott wave count 2, we had been trading within this channel, and at some point we managed to break out of the channel to the lower side, and that happened the moment we lost the area at around the $154 mark. And that's when we saw the breakout out of the channel to the lower side and got into our target area in the formation of that higher Elliott wave count 2. And over here, and in my previous video I had highlighted a chart pattern that was in formation over here, which is a double bottom, and you can see it here on the charts having that as the first bottom. Then we saw a bit of a pump to the upper side, seeing the formation of the neckline, then continued pushing lower in the formation of the second bottom. Then I expected a breakout to the upper side in case we see an increase in volume and also a bull market in the whole crypto market. But you can see from what we have here on the charts, we did not see the breakout to the upper side, which was was giving, and this chart pattern was giving me a minimum target area back to around the $149 mark, which is slightly above my key area of resistance at around the $147 mark. And I also expected, in case we don't see a breakout and we continue pushing lower, there's a possibility of the formation of a triple bottom, and I think that is what we are seeing over here and in this movement right here. And you can see we came down touching the neckline, that is the support zone down here once more at around the $108 mark, and we are yet to see the breakout out of this chart pattern, and also we are yet to see an invalidation of this chart pattern. In case we see a breakout out of these that is below this key area of support at around the $108 mark, and in case we see a breakout to the upper side, my target area to the upper side still remains at around the $149 mark. And in case we continue pushing lower, lose the key area of support at around the $108 mark, then this chart pattern will be invalidated, and I'll have to view the charts from another perspective and maybe continue expecting lower prices in the formation of that higher Elliott wave count too. So that's the update here on the quantum chart. Also taking a look at the indicators to see what movements will be supported here on the RSI. On the RSI, we are trading at around the 45 mark, meaning we have massive room for us to support any movements to the upper side. Also taking a look at the MACD, here on the MACD we have printed a bullish cross, and that means higher prices are coming our way. So there's a possibility that Quant has seen its low in the formation of that high Elliott wave control, and there's a possibility of giving us a breakout very soon. So let's be patient and see how that plays out, and I'll keep you updated.